Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Ardi Junaidin, and in this video I will read about English assignment with the title is Evolution of the Microprocessor. Okay. The hardware revolution that brought about desktop and handheld computing was the invention of the microprocessor, which contained a processor on a single chip. Though originally much slower than multi-chip processors, microprocessors have continually evolved to the point that they are now much faster for most computations due to the physics involved in moving information around in sub-nanosecond timeframes. Not only have microprocessors become the fastest general-purpose processors available, they are now multi-processors. Each chip, called a socket, contains multiple processors called cores, each with multiple levels of large memory caches and multiple logical processors sharing the execution units of each core. As of 2010, it is not unusual for even a laptop to have 2 or 4 cores, each with 2 hardware threads, for a total of 4 or 8 logical processors. Although processors provide very good performance for most forms of computing, there is increasing demand for numerical computation. Graphical processing units, or GPUs, provide efficient computation on arrays of data using single instruction multiple data, or SIMD. SIMD techniques pioneered in supercomputers. GPUs are no longer used just for rendering advanced graphics, but they are also used for general numerical processing, such as physical simulation for gamers or computation on large spreadsheets. And simultaneously, the GPUs themselves are gaining the capability of operating on arrays of data with increasingly powerful vectors units integrated into the processor architecture of the x86 and AMD 64 families. Processors and GPUs are not the end of the computational story for the modern PC. Digital signal processor, or DSPs, are also present for dealing with streaming signals such as audio or video. DSP used to be embedded in input-output, especially in handheld. Other specialized computational devices, fixed functions units, coexist with the CPU to support other standard computation, such as encoding or decoding speech and video codes, or providing support for encryption and security. To satisfy the requirement of handheld device, the classic microprocessor is giving way to the system use chip, or SoC, where not just the CPU and caches are on the same chip, but also many of the other components of the system, such as DSPs, GPU, I/O device such as radios or encoders, and main memory. Yeah, thanks for watching.